Hey guys, as you guys can see, I'm here in Mexico, Baja California, and so something unexpected happened to me while being in the water. So please watch until the end of this clip, cause it was really, really, really dumb of my part to do this, but I was trying to get some nice clips for you guys of the water and all the stuff the of the ocean, of how fun it is. So as you guys could see, I grabbed the floaties to ride the waves and all that stuff, and so yeah, and so how I said something unexpected happened while I was in the water. So yeah, um so here I'm still riding the waves with my cousin, and there was this time where I just like mess up the whole thing, and yeah, the everything goes wrong from that point on. So yeah, so this is where all the stuff starts to happen. So here the GoPro slips out of my head, so from the wave, a big wave hits me and just tumbles around, and yeah, so just tumbles. So as you guys could see, I don't really recommend you guys take your guys' GoPros to the ocean with these types of waves, but thankfully we got the GoPro.
Ya me sabes que hoy no le ves a ¿verdad?